This is how you update the website for sharing with the client. You have to have QGIS open. Go to the Google Drive using your local file explorer. Go to the project. There's going to be a QGIS file ending in QGZ. This saves QGIS projects. Drag and drop into QGIS. This should look familiar to you. This is what gets uploaded to the website. This is what it looks like in QGIS. Here you have your different layers. This is your colorized elevation model. This is your hillshade elevation model. This is your polygon outline, and these are your lines flown. I will be updating this file in the Google Drive to the latest version of which lines have been flown. And then if someone else can actually upload it to the website, that'll save me some time. This procedure should be pretty simple. All I do is I change this file, and because this file is stored in the cloud, it should automatically update here when you see it. For instance, earlier this all used to be black here. Now it's green because it was flown. So now that you have this looks good. You're going to open this plugin. It's called Create Web Map. You get it from installing the plugin. Go to All, and then you go QGIS, number 2, Web. This is what it looks like. You install it. Once it's installed, create new web map. Here are all of the labels. I like to disable pop-ups for the polygon. Everything else, keep it like this. This is what my settings are here. This is what my settings are for the appearance, measuring tool metric. Just go through and kind of see what the differences are between your settings and my settings. You can explore trying to make it nicer. By changing these settings. I like to use a leaflet. It seems to be less buggy. Update preview will generate, if you're using the latest versions of QGIS, then when you update preview, this should show up like this. So this is just a preview of what the website is going to be like. And you click on something, it says flown yes. You click on here, it doesn't say anything. So this looks good to me. So I'm going to export it. So when I click export, it generates the website folders, the website files. So this is mainly JavaScript. So now this has been generated, but it's still stored locally. So this is the path to the folder. So starting from C is like your top level, and then this is the folder that you want. So I copy that, and in File Explorer, I go to that spot. So this is fully populated because I've been making a whole bunch of experiments with the websites. But if you go to the latest folder here and you click index.html, you should get the exact same result. It's the same location, everything is the same. So I'm going to close this. So index.html is what launches that website, and it uses these folders as the source for all of the renderings that you see. So, but this is still on your local device. So now we need to put it online. So you should download GitHub Desktop. If you don't have a GitHub account, you should make a GitHub account and then ask me to add you as a collaborator. I can send you a link. The repository is called Roser website. So make sure that you're in the Roser website repository and you're added as a collaborator. You're going to go to show in, this should be current branch main, and last fetched should be recent. So you can press this to fetch, that's more recent. Go to show in File Explorer, and this is what's currently online. So I'm going to put this on one side, and I'm going to put this on the other. So this is what we just created. This is what's currently on the website. So I'm going to select all of these and basically move them over here. You want to delete what's here first, except the Git folder. I'm going to press delete, so it deletes all of those. I'm going to take all of this, copy, click here, paste. Then if I go back to GitHub, you should see changes here. The reason there's no changes is because the data is identical. It's not actually detecting any changes to what's there, but when you do it, you'll probably see some changes. So when you see the changes, you'll want to push to main. Basically get rid of any like blue notifications here that are saying like it's waiting to push to main. Like you want to push, commit, whatever. Like you might have to input a little summary here before you commit to main. So yeah, commit to main. You'll have the pop-up saying here push, yeah. Then you basically say push to main, and that's done. And then the way you test it is you go to GitHub on your website. So GitHub, you go to the repository. So github.com, Roser website. So this is what the GitHub desktop synchronizes with whatever is online. So you can click on index HTML. This shows you the code. I think you can also just run it online. Here, let's see, settings. If you go to pages, and then this says, okay, your website is live at, and then you can visit site here. So if you see the changes updated here, then it's good. So this is the link that you then share with the client. It should stay the same. It shouldn't change at all. And you don't have to share the whole thing. You could probably just share this part. See if this works. Yeah. So you don't have to share these coordinates. They just kind of specify, I think, the exact location where on the map the user is looking and at what zoom level. So this is your zoom level, and these are the coordinates of where the center of the screen is, or whatever. And so yeah, that's how you update. That's how you update the map. And you'll notice that this code here matches the folder structure here, and it matches the folder structure here, minus the little git here. So yeah, that's how you update the website. Should be pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions.